This is an overview of the DKC11.3-100-7-FW drive manufactured by Bosch, Rexroth, Indramat. These are among the most well-known servo drives used for either general-purpose automation or for machine tool applications. These drives are part of the EcoDrive 03 automation system, which enables users to fluidly and effectively control a wide variety of products because of extensive integral functionalities and a highly favorable price-to-performance ratio. The most common uses for these drives are in handling systems, printing and packing operations, food processing environments, and assembly lines. The drive here I have in front of me, like I said before, is a DKC 11.3-100 drive. The 11.3 signifies that here, where the option card is commonly found, this only has a blank metal slot inserted. It does have internal analog interface and analog stepper, or analog interface. It is paired with a encoder found here, which is usually 1.5 inches to 2 inches long. It can be silver or whitish, screwed down by a single screw at the top of it. This drive has a 100 amperage rating, a voltage category of 7, and a firmware rating designated by either your needs or a generic factory rating. It can be used with multiple encoders for whatever application or setting you need to use the drive in. This drive can be powered on using 24 VDC, turning on internal bus amperage for the fan, board, and option card components. In this case, this does not have an option card. I'll do that now. If you would like more information concerning this DKC 11.3-100 drive or any other DKC drive, please contact us via phone or email, which can be found below in the description. Thank you.